rotation and
Force and radius of rotation is one graph, and
Force versus radius of rotation.
sleeve displacement and RPM is another graph.
okay.
Speed.
So first take a A4 sheet papers and pen. Whatever the data I'm giving, you note down and do the calculations. Make it very fast, okay? So first you take it papers and pen. Only out of suppose 50% attending classes, 50 students attending means only 20 students are responding to my questions and 20 students are uploading the images, whatever your calculations. For this contact type of tachometer, speed regulator, dead weights are required. And the specifications are each ball assembly ball is 0.5 kg, weight of the sleeve is 2 kg, extension of each length 75 mm. So I will show in the video what is extension BG. Now see here, in previous cases the governor setup was without this extension ball, means balls are here, but in this case extra links are provided, okay, and at centrally the load is added. So this setup, by seeing this diagram you can conclude one thing, this is a Powell governor by seeing that these links, okay. How much the length here? 75 mm, that is given as a specification. The length of the arm, radius of initial radius of rotation. Now see here is changing the setup. Initially it was a Porter governor, now it is a Powell governor. See here, balls, extension balls. This is a dimmer set voltage controller, current controller. As speed, the voltage increases, speed also increases. Here you can observe the sleeve displacement. So because of lifting upward, the sleeve displacement can be measured on the scale. Now, for the first time, increase some voltage. Roll number 60. Is it your first class? 64, not 60. Then you are again asking what is the purpose it is used. At the beginning, first class only I told. How much the speed was? The speed is measured in RPM. The displacement measured on the scale. The scale. You people first make a table on your A4 sheet paper. Serial number, speed in RPM, sleeve displacement X in mm. You first make a table. Make a table. Then write the first speed 150 RPM and sleeve displacement as okay. Speed is in 170. Sleeve displacement 26 mm. Now second time increase the speed with the dimmer set and as sorry increasing the voltage simultaneously it is going to increase the speed and here sleeve is going to lift upward. So here at second time also we have to measure the speed here and take the sleeve displacement here. Take the this is a contact type of tachometer. Now sleeve displacement is here it is measuring. Now note down on papers. Second reading. The speed is 184 RPM, 55 mm. Make it note your in your A sheet papers. Porter Provel Governor. Sorry, Provel Governor. Write down the readings. Now third time increase the somewhat voltage. Take the reading. Note down the third reading. The sleeve displacement is 70 mm. Note down. Third reading is 202 RPM and 70 mm sleeve displacement. सर मैं क्लास में हूँ फिर फोन कर सर मैं क्लास में हूँ फिर फोन करता हूँ. Note down the fourth reading. Note down the readings. Now these are all the calculations here. So here radius of rotation 50 plus L sin alpha. Cos alpha is equal to h by L. Height of the governor equal to h naught minus x by 2. These are the relations. The same procedure followed here, whatever you did in the last class. Only thing is readings are changed and setup is changed. Here force versus, after calculating the all values, force versus radius of rotation graph, speed versus level displacement graph is required. Okay.